I'm Jocelyn Aspa with the Investing News Network. Joining me today at the Cantech conference in Toronto is Harry Pokrandt, CEO of HIVE Blockchain. Thanks for joining me today, Harry.
Thanks for having me.
HIVE Blockchain went public last September and recently announced it had started its Ethereum mining in Sweden. Why Sweden, and can you speak a little bit as to how significant this is for the company going forward this year?
Well, Sweden is important because, first of all, low power costs, but also cold temperatures as well. So mining cryptocurrency creates a lot of heat, so it helps to be in a cold climate because it saves on your cooling requirements. So low power costs, cheap energy, good jurisdiction. In Sweden, we're investing 100 million into two facilities there, a GPU-based mining facility, which 2 weeks ago we announced starting a production there on phase 1 of the GPU farm. We've also committed to putting an ASIC farm there, which will mine Bitcoin, and we hope to have all that completed by September. So in Sweden, we'll have a total of 40 megawatts capacity online by September. In Iceland, we have about 4 megawatts up and running right now. And again, Iceland, because cold, of course, cheap power costs and cold temperatures there as well.
So the company also plans to expand into other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. What are other long-term goals for the company this year as it relates to these cryptocurrencies?
Well, first of all, our goal is really to put on new capacity as aggressively as we can. There is certainly a land grab going on right now for computational power, for processing facilities, for all of these cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin, with the ASIC farms and GPU farms, we can mine Ethereum and a whole host of other cryptocurrencies. So, the GPU farms, we've got certainly more flexibility in which coins we mine. So we'll chase after margin, or if we have a view on a certain currency, we'll mine those currencies to get along them. So that's really. So really the immediate goals for HIVE is just to increase the footprint of computational power.
Okay. So there's more and more blockchain companies coming onto the scene. It's kind of the hot spot to be right now.
Absolutely.
So how will HIVE Blockchain be the difference maker in the next few years?
Most blockchain companies are software developers who are trying to use blockchain technologies for a specific use, their own use case, which can vary from land titles to accounting to medical records to all sorts of different things. So they're usually software development companies. We differ because we're really the people who process the transactions, who verify, record, and secure the blockchains. So whether it be cryptocurrency or other blockchains, this activity of mining will happen on all blockchains. So HIVE is really the infrastructure behind all that. So we're somewhat agnostic to what we mine. Certainly the revenue models of non-cryptocurrency blockchains will be different than cryptocurrency, but the activity is still the same, and all of those blockchains are potential business for us down the road.
That's awesome. So blockchain is still a relatively new industry. So what would you tell investors who might be a little bit concerned about the state of the blockchain sector, or maybe they just don't quite know fully what this is about yet?
Yeah, any sector like this, it's certainly blockchain has become a buzzword, and there's a lot of people raising money for different ventures, which we're going to see failures, and we'll see big successes, and you've got to really understand the companies that you invest in. You got to understand the revenue model. You got to understand timelines, and you're betting on the people behind the company. So it's important to do homework and really feel comfortable with those investments.
Awesome. Is there anything else you're excited about this year?
You know what? We're lucky because we've had such a great reception in the market. It's really allowed us to accelerate our business plan. So, we've done 4 financings, done five acquisitions, since September. So, I want to keep the pace going on other acquisitions, and there's some great opportunities out there, and have to move quickly. So the plan is to keep the pace up, and every transaction we do is extremely accretive for our existing shareholders. So that's exciting as well. I don't know of another business, the digital currency mining business, which capital can be used so efficiently and turned over so quickly. The paybacks are amazing in this business. It's something that I'm pretty excited about. I've never seen this in my career.
Well, it should be an exciting year.
Yeah.
Great. Thanks. Those are my questions today.
Okay.
Thanks for joining me, Harry. I'm Jocelyn Aspa with the Investing News Network.